If you observe this question, whole concept of heredity, like monohybrid crossing and all, we people can learn and we can revise by solving this question. Actually, this is a 4-mark question in last year sample paper. But a similar question even came in the board exam also. That's what I'm saying. Always 100% 4 marks will be in our board exam from heredity. Like a guarantee, we can say if you are good in concept, we can finish it. So let me start this question. I will teach you, no need to worry. You think I will repeat it. By the time you start workout, that's what is only suggestion. So you can see, everyone, how deep it is question. So Pooja has green eyes. Pooja has what eyes? Everybody? Green eyes. While her parents and brother have black eyes. So from this statement itself, you can understand which is the dominant color, black or blue. Anybody?
Black.
Yes, please. Black. Why black? Anybody? How you people are guessing it is a black? Please respond. Indra. So totally 4 persons are there. So in 4 persons, if I have taken in the 2 parents and 1 offspring. So 1 offspring. So all 3 members, they are having a black eyes. Black eyes. Only Pooja alone having a green eyes. So we can see parents and brother both are having a black eyes. So means in a sense of which is the dominant one. Anybody? Yes, please. So we'll take it as a black eyes is the dominant one and green eyes is the recessive one. Am I right, everybody? Please respond, guys. Okay. Now, Pooja's husband, Ravi has a black eyes, while his mother has green eyes and father has black eyes. So imagine it is how complicated it is. So that's what it is. Okay, now you can see, let us make the first Pooja's tree. So now Pooja parents, if I have taken. So Pooja family, if I just, for your purpose, I'm explaining slowly, but me, I can answer very fastly, nothing. So now all of you observe very carefully. Pooja family, if I have taken. So father is there and mother is there. So they got the 2 children. One is brother of Pooja, and this is a Pooja. So now Pooja alone is having a what eyes actually? Everybody? Pooja alone is having what eyes? Green eyes. And brother and father and mother both are having what eyes? Everybody? Black, black, and black. Am I right, everyone? Yes, please respond. Understand, Amma? Yes. So now they are asking, and next one, Pooja's husband family. Pooja's husband family, if I have taken, again, they're not talking about Pooja's husband's cousins and all, only Pooja's husband family. So husband is having again what eyes? Husband is having what eyes? Everybody?
Black eyes.
Black eyes. Understand? So means Pooja's husband, father and mother, and here Pooja's husband. So Pooja's husband is having a black eyes. Father is also having a black eyes, but mother is having a what eyes? Everybody. Mother is having what eyes? Green eyes. Whose mother? Pooja's mother or Pooja's husband's mother? Anyone?
Pooja's husband's mother.
Pooja's husband's mother. So now you can see on the basis of the above given information, is the green eyes color a dominant or recessive trait? Justify your answer. Anybody? All of you? Either it is a dominant one or it is a recessive one. Any one of you? Please tell me.
Recessive.
So recessive. Green Green eye color is a recessive one. So that is what I can make it. So based upon the dominant, you have to choose the letters. So black color is the dominant one. So I will choose letters are either capital B, or capital B, small b. So mind immediately should say dominant one, how many possibilities? Everybody? Dominant one, how many possibilities? Two possibilities. One is homozygous, another one is what? Heterozygous. Then green eyes. Green eyes, what is the letters will come? Only small b, small b. Do you understand, everybody? If you not understand, please ask me. I will again repeat. So dominant one, two possibilities. One is homozygous, another one is heterozygous. But recessive one and only possibility. What is the possibility, everybody? Small b and small b and small b. Do you understand, Amma? That is what. Now, just revise the concept what we studied. Tall plant, parental generation. So parental crossing, I will write PC. So capital T, next one small t. They are pure homozygous. Zygotes will form capital T. Zygotes will form small t. If I cross it, what will happen, guys? First generation, all capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Then in this, if I cross two, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. In this, if I cross, what will happen? Next generation. This is the first generation. F1 generation. Next, F2 generation, what I will get? Speak loudly, everybody. Capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Then last one, I will get it what? Everyone?
Small
Yes.
t, small t.
Small t and small t. Ellame remembered? Please respond. That is what. So this is the recessive one, pure recessive one. But both parents are having what? Anybody tell? Both parents are having what? Dominant or recessive? Here, F1 generation. F1 crossing. F1, both parents are having what? Dominant or recessive? Everybody? Dominant or recessive? Dominant. So babies will get one pure dominant, two heterozygous dominant, and one pure recessive. This is what is the flow chart. Will you all agree with me? Please remember, you know or not this one. If you know this, you can answer it. Now, let me finish the Puja family. Let me go back there and I'll write it in the screen. You can see. So Puja family, if you have taken, all of you observe, Puja is receiving what is, guys? Let me take Puja family now. I'll fix it, guys. Concept I'll teach, later we'll answer. Now, Puja family, tell me, everybody. Puja family, father and mother having what eyes? Anybody can tell? Father and mother have what eyes? Black eyes. Mother is also having what eyes? Black eyes. But Puja brother, let me take brother. Puja brother is also having what eyes? Black eyes. But Puja is having what eyes? Everybody? Green means Puja is having small b and small b. Will you all agree with me? Everybody? Puja is having small b and small b. Means 100% Puja father and mother, they are pure or F1 crossing. Anybody can tell? They are F1 crossing. Means what is the genotype of father of Pujas? Mitakshri? Capital small b. Very good. Hariseras, understand Hariseras? Mother,
Yes, sir.
capital B, small b. That's all. Now, brother, what is the genotype of brother? Maybe a capital B. Maybe. We don't know. He may belongs to capital B, or he may belongs to capital B. Capital B, small b. That's all. Puja family, any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Clear, guys? Please speak. Understand, ma'am? All of you? Yes, Ra, respond, Ra. Yes. Next, Pooja's husband family. Can you tell me Pooja's husband family, mother and father is having what? Husband spelling tell HUS? I forgot. B-A-N, yeah. Yes. Pooja's husband family. Pooja's husband family, Pooja's uncle and Pooja's auntie. Now, so means mother-in-law and father-in-law. So if I have taken mother, father is having what eyes? Anybody? Father is having what eyes? Black. Mother is having what eyes? Green. Green means mother is actually a what? Purely recessive. Am I right or wrong? Everybody. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But
Yes, sir.
father is having what? Maybe
Blackness.
capital B, or capital B,
Capital B, small b.
small b. But Mr. Husband, Pooja's husband got what eyes? Anybody?
Blackness.
Pooja's husband got what eyes? Anyone? Black.
Black.
Okay. So if Pooja's husband's father is having a capital B, small b, there is a possibility of getting the green eyes also for Pooja's husband. Am I right, Mr. Harish? Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So Pooja's uncle means Pooja's husband father only having what? Capital B, capital B. Do you understand, Amma? So Pooja's Pooja's husband's father and mother, they are parental crossing or F1 crossing? Everybody. They are? Yes, please.
Parental.
They are parental crossing. Do you understand, everybody? But Pooja's mother and father, what they are? They are
Yeah.
F1 crossing. Understand, Mitakshri, Abhirami? Are you clear? Hasini? Do you understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why I am not taking Pooja's husband father is capital B, small b? Anybody can tell? Because if I take capital B, small b, there is a possibility of getting green also for Pooja's husband. Am I right or wrong? Everyone? Yes, please. That is why I am taking, because they are saying Pooja's husband is having black eyes. So definitely Pooja's husband father is a black, capital B. Mother is green, capital B, small b. If I cross, then Pooja's husband, what is the genotype? Anybody tell? Pooja's husband, what is the genotype? Capital B?
Small b.
Small b.
Capital B, small b. Very good. Understand, everybody? That is what is needed for me. Now, you go back to the questions. Everything is clear. Now you go back to the questions and you answer. It will be very, very simple. Mind this, all the things will be there. First question over. So green eyes is the recessive one and black eyes is the what? Mr. Omar, do you understand, Omar? If you are not understand, again you solve only, it will be easy. Next, second one.
Understood, sir.
What is the possible genetic makeup of Pooja's brother's eye color? Make it quick. Pooja's brother's eye color. What is that? It may be capital B, or capital B,
Small b.
small b.
Small b.
Everyone, that is what you have to remember. Okay, Amma? Understand, everyone? Please respond. If you not understand, let me take. Hurry, take option this list. I want to know. Next, what is the probability that the offsprings of a Pooja and Ravi will have a green eyes? Will have a what eyes? Yes, please. Will have a what eyes? Green eyes. Also show the inheritance of the eye color in the offspring with the help of a suitable cross. So let us see now. Pooja and Pooja's husband Ravi. So both genotype we know. Can you tell me what is the Pooja's genotype? She is a pure green. What is the Pooja's?
Small b. Small b.
Small b.
Yes, small b. Tejaswini, understand? Gayatri, Aishwarya, small b and small b. And just now we fixed. What is the Pooja's husband? Pooja's husband.
Capital B, small b.
Capital
Capital
B,
B.
capital B, small b. Now, what is the question, guys? Question, can you repeat it? What is the question? Pooja's babies, 50% what? 50% what? Everybody. 50% what eyes, Ra? Green eyes. Do you understand, Amma? So let us verify. Capital B into small b, capital B, small b. Next, B into small b into small b. Next, capital B into capital B, small b. Next, small b into small b. So now you can see Pooja husband and Pooja's both, if they will get the 4 children, in that 2 children black eyes and 2 children what? Everyone. Two children what? Two
Green eyes.
children what, Ra?
Green.
Green eyes. Means two children means 50% only. Do you understand, Ra? Omar, Noor, Sanjay. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Nimesh, clear, Nimesh? So genetic cross. So from this I understand Pooja's is small b, and Pooja's husband is capital B, small b. Okay, guys? Why can't Pooja's husband is capital B? Anybody can tell? Why can't Pooja's husband is capital B? Then what will happen?
Mother,
Then no children of Pooja's will get green eyes. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? Do you understand, everybody? If Pooja's husband is capital B, then all the children of Pooja's will get black eyes only. Will you agree with me, everybody? Please respond. That is the reason Pooja's husband is having black eyes with the heterozygous or homozygous? Everyone? Heterozygous. And Pooja is a what? Pooja is a what? Homozygous or heterozygous?
homozygous.
Homozygous. She is homozygous recessive, and husband of Pooja is heterozygous dominant. That is what you have to remember. Okay. Now, according to normal, if you see, Pooja's family is Pooja is the F2 generation. Pooja's father and mother is a F1 crossing, F1 generation. But Pooja's husband, Ravi is the F1 generation, and Ravi parents are what? Ravi parents are parental crossing. Means Ravi and Pooja actually like a grandfather and granddaughter relation. Am I right or wrong? Please respond. Correct or not? Actually, daughter and actually Pooja is the F2 generation. Ravi belongs to the F1 generation. So they different, like according to the question like that it is, but it is not. It's true. I'm saying just for our purpose. I'm saying Pooja belongs to F2 generation, and Ravi belongs to Pooja's husband belongs to F1 generation. That is what you have to remember. Now, that is over 50%. Next question you see. Yeah, R option. If you take R option, if you don't want to solve the C, you can come to the D. Again, same. Now, this is not Pooja's brother married. That is what it is. So 50% of offsprings of Pooja's brother. So Pooja's brother, we are having a two confusions. Anybody can tell what is the confusions of Pooja's brother? We are having a two genes. Anyone?
Capital
B, small b. Now they are saying Pooja's brother married some other ex-girl. We don't know. And their children, 50% of children having what eyes? Omar, Kaushik, Nimesh, 50%.
Yes, sir.
Pooja's brother's children is what eyes, guys? Green eyes. Do you understanding? And means in the sense of he also married a girl who is having a what eyes? Anybody can tell?
Green.
Married a girl who is having a what eyes? Anyone? Green eyes. Understanding? Pooja's brother. Imagine the question. Pooja's brother. Now two confusions we have. Either capital B or capital B, small b. We will fix it. But Pooja's brother's wife definitely having a what eyes? Anybody? Green eyes. Because they are saying 50% offsprings are what eyes, guys? 50% babies are what eyes? Please respond. Yes, please. Green eyes. Understanding? Means Pooja wife will be green eyes, but Pooja's brothers either capital B or capital B, small b. That is the question. Anybody tell me capital B, small b or capital B? Pooja's brother.
Capital B, small b.
Yes. So he does not have a genotype of capital B, because if Pooja brother is capital B, then 100% babies will get black color. Am I right or wrong? Please speak, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
It is
sir.
50% green. That is why Pooja brother is having a genotype of capital B, small b. Same question they will ask you. Pooja's brother children all are black eyes. Means then Pooja brother is having a what is a genotype by the time? Capital B?
Capital B, capital B.
That is what. Understand everybody? Do you remember how tough it is a question? Entire concept of the question will revise with the help of this. This much understand. I know many people don't even understand anything, but that is your problem. What I can do? You have to make practice. So once again, I'll repeat, make it quick. So you have to remember. So what they're saying, exact question you see, Pooja is there, Pooja brother is there. Pooja married somebody who is having a black eyes, and Pooja got 50% of her children green color eyes. And Pooja also having what color, everybody? Pooja also
Green
having
color.
what color? Green color
Green
only.
color.
And Pooja husband and the children, Pooja husband is in black color, Pooja husband is black eyes, and the children is 50% green eyes. 50% green eyes. Based upon this, I understand this. Pooja's husband eyes is capital B, small b. Am I right, everybody? Yes. From this, I will make you conclusion. Please keep it in mind, all of you. Anywhere, if you find an exam, note it. If you get a 50% dominant and 50% recessive in offsprings. Note it. 50% recessive in offsprings. 100% the possible genotype is, okay, male or female, whatever it is. Only possibility is capital B, small b, and small b and small b. Only this cross alone will give you always 50:50. Okay, Mitakshri, Abhirami, understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Always keep it in mind. If you are getting 50-50 chances, 50-50 chances, one and only possible genotype is capital A, like you take any alphabets, capital T, small t into small t. Only this is the cross will give you 50-50 percentage. Okay, Ra? Ellame boys, Sanjay Ganan, Omar, understand, Ra? This is the conclusion I want to make you guys.
Yes, sir.
Actually, question is not important. This is the conclusion wants to understand. Anywhere in the future, if you get a word, call it as 50% offsprings are. Either it is a dominant or recessive, doesn't matter. For example, in the given question, they ask 50% of Pooja's children are got what eyes? 50% of Pooja's children got what eyes? Everyone? They're saying, you can see. 50% of Pooja's children, they have got what eyes, guys? Green eyes.
Green.
Instead of green, I may mention black also. Then also the genotype is same. Am I right or wrong? Do you understand what I'm saying, everybody?
Yes, sir.
If I'm saying 50% green eyes means, then 50% what eyes? Black eyes only.
Black eyes.
So you have to remember that. 50%, they ask you anything, either it is a dominant or recessive. Keep it in mind. Always the one and only possible genotype is heterozygous dominant one and homozygous recessive one. Note it. One heterozygous dominant character crossing with the homozygous recessive one, 100% you will get 50% of dominant character, 50% of recessive character. Purima, Ellame, Nimish. That is what. Next, if they ask you 100% dominant character, 100% dominant character coming, character in offsprings, then the one and only possible genotype is capital B crossing with the small b, small b. 100%, this is the one and only possible genotype. When you are getting 100% offsprings, 100% offsprings are having what character? Everybody?
Dominant.
100% offsprings are having dominant character. More than this, none can say you this much simplified one. So still you have any difficulty, you can ask me. Harizeras, understand, Ra? 4 mark, surely you will get in board exam. If you are clear with the concept, definitely you can make it. You can rock this question less than 2 minutes. Pugal, Purima Pugal, explanation is this much, 2 pages. but the conclusions, why I said this question, these are the two conclusions you have to make it always. Okay. And you might be practice in our school always crossing in a lines like this crossing. Please stop this way of crossing. You practice like this. You might be your teachers or train you like this. Doesn't matter. Board exam marking scheme always will be like this only. So you have to make always box. Okay. One genotype is here. Another genotype is here. Whatever the crossing. So you can write this is a fun crossing, a parental crossing. Understand, Harish? Now you choose any two, then you can write capital B, small b, capital B, small b. Then you can make a box, everyone. Then we will get capital B, capital B, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, and small b, small b. So this is a fun crossing. So same thing will come. You have to practice in a box way. Exactly this way. This is your original practice for answering heredity question. Everybody has to do in such a way only. I'm expecting everybody is the similar. Do you understand? So Rohit, any doubt, ask me. Pugal, I'm calling you Pugal. I already told you. Do you understand everything? Anything doubt you can ask. Okay, wa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, this is what about it. So now let it be. I don't want to discuss. Many questions are there. Definitely, I will teach you. I'll make you extremely fine in this one. So you don't need to worry. In this question, I'm just giving 1 minute time. Later, I want to say you about the revision. In this question, sir, particular section, I'm not understanding, sir. Any one of you, if you want, I will explain you. Other than that, I will never. Make it quick, everybody. So I simplified as simple as possible. Is it okay? Everybody, are you able to understand the questions? Everyone? Question looks very big. Remember, heredity, if you are seeing without understanding, you cannot understand anything. But if you understand the concept, none can stop you in this. You 100% will get 4 by 4 mark. And one more thing, guys, there is no theoretical answer for this heredity question. Nobody can cut the mark. Nobody can cut the mark in this question. That is the advantage of heredity. So please understand why I am stretching this much on this. Where there is nobody can replace this question number also in the board exam. 100%. Okay. So make sure any doubt you can ask me. If you are clear with this, you can. Any one of you have doubt? Mr. Ashik clear? Hasin? Mr. Manikandan? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So this is what about it. Now, your revision has to start from today, your exam. Harizeras, do you have mid exams or over exams? Okay, then, okay, that's fine. So, okay, then you can practice. I will send you the Bangalore's other papers also. All the heredity questions you have to practice, Harizeras. You must get 4 by 4 and you have to solve by seeing the question. You must say the answer. That's what I'm expecting. Okay?
Yep.
Yes. Now, everybody take your NCERT. You can start the revision with chemistry now. Today evening, once you come back from the school, there is no kind of homework will be given. So we are having totally 8 chapters for Monday's exam. So first starts with the chemistry. Chemistry you are having 2 chapters only, I think. First chapter is metals and non-metals, and the next one is acid, bases, and salts. Give least priority to the, okay, whatever, there is no least priority. You can again I'm saying you, unless you are clear with the page number, 1 minute. So that is salts. So page number 30, 31st and 32nd. So 32, 33, 32 page number. Board exam also definitely 2 mark question. Minimum 2 mark question from this. So what is that you all people knows? That is what? Salts. Salts prepared by using a raw material. What is the raw material, everybody? Yes, please. NaCl. So what is the salts we produced from the NaCl? What is the chemical process and what is the chemicals we are using? What is the applications of them, including last POP production? Each word you have to practice. Unless you practice, you are not supposed to leave anything. Your first duty is to learn. This is only page number 32, page number 32, 32. So this is the most important one. So kindly learn everybody. Once again, I'm saying nobody of you should miss any equation. Saturday's offline class, definitely I'll ask the people, you know whom I will disturb. Everybody has to notice it and make it. Clear everyone? You understand what I'm saying, Mr. Aswin Gokul? Johan, that is. So after that, by tonight before sleep, at least you have to finish it. Everybody, those who are very good, those who are poor, doesn't matter. This is the main concept you have to concentrate. So from page number 32, last. And then chemical properties of acids and that is what? The sources of acids and the sources of bases and the importance of pH in everyday life. So definitely there will be a question related to importance of pH because that is having a very importance to our life. So that is what they will ask you question. So let it be. And then you go back to the bases and acids. Which substance is having what acid, what base, what is the pH, universal indicator. That is the concept you have to touch it. Come back from the last and then chemical reactions you can see. What happens an acid and base reacting with the water? Page number 23, you can notice it. There will be experiment activity 2.9. We are using guard tube also. Do you remember everybody that experiment, everyone? Page number 29. Am I right or wrong? Page 29. So each and every property, take your classwork and you can see that. So is revision today, I don't know, Mr. Swadan, you have to work. So page number 29, you have to concentrate on that activities. Each activity you have to learn. What do all the acids and bases have in common? And is it moisture is necessary to prove that chemical acids will source the reaction? That is what activity 2.9. Perfectly how to learn. Again, I'm saying you. Then you have to come to the how do acids react with each other, like chemical properties of acids and chemical properties of bases. Each one you have to write in the classwork and you have to finish it. Page number 23, page number 23 only. Yes, sorry. Page number 23 this is. So chemical properties you have to write it. That's all. So chemical properties, again you have to give the high priority, acids and bases. And whatever it is, the time schedule, nobody is supposed to read according to your plan. Again, I'm saying you, everybody has to follow only my plan. No other change in that. Okay. So today night, whatever the time, you start by 6 p.m. or by 8 p.m. doesn't matter for me. Tomorrow till by 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. everybody has to complete the chemistry because chemistry only least portion, 2 chapters you have and 25 marks. So if you are good in both the chapters, 100% you can finish it. Tomorrow morning I will say you what to study in metals and non-metals and all. So your duty is to now, this is the time allotment for it. Either you are getting less time or more time, or doesn't matter. After 11 a.m. tomorrow, none of you are supposed to touch the chemistry. Very perfect. Afternoon, I'll ask you. If I ask the equation, you must say. Any one of you, I'm saying. If I ask it, you must write it on the board. Like that, you practice. You are topper or mediocre or doesn't matter. Everybody has to practice the equation. Again, I'm saying, because none of you made full mark in the PT2. So means you are not perfect till today. Write equations, write the physical state, write the temperatures, write the pressures, write the what we can say reaction state also. What is the reactants physical state? What is the product physical state? What is the required conditions? It's a dry, for example, bleaching powder, dry slakuline. Mention it, learn it. When I ask tomorrow afternoon, you're not saying, you see that, how what I can do it. Okay, that is the time, 11 a.m. chemistry timing. You have to start from today. So this is what is the chemistry plan, 25 mark, only 2 chapters. Then I will say what to do. Afternoon, anyhow, we'll go with the physics or some other thing. So then only we'll go with the biology over, then again you have to go with the revision and Sunday. So that is why according to that you plan it. Why I am saying chemistry, you remember the advantage of learning the chemistry at the beginning. Chemistry needs what we can say that more energy to remember the equations. And the advantage of chemistry, once you learn, you cannot forget. That is why at the beginning, everybody has to read the chemistry so that it is easy to revise before the exam. So make yourself comfortable and practice every equation. I want to see how much you are practicing tomorrow afternoon. I will verify it also. Okay. Now also, I don't think so. You have, I think today any science DRT is there? What DRT do you have? Huh?
Biology,
Today biology DRT only. How do
how
start working? Yes, I know that. Start working. You can start reading now itself. You have almost now 1 hour till 7 o'clock. Everybody go. You are far or near, it doesn't matter. Everybody start reading how to organs reproduce. At least 2 concepts you learn. I'm not saying it everything. Sexual reproduction. Stress only on this. Everybody start taking the book and read. Sexual reproduction, human, female reproductive system of human, male reproductive system of human. What is the process? How it will happen? Fertilization occurs. What will happen? Fertilization fails. What is the changes will take place? What is the puberties? What is the sexually transmitted diseases? And that all the concepts. Definitely